Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Let's start today's lecture of Pakistan studies. As you know, there is an important announcement and I am highlighting again and again in these lectures that your papers are going to be held from 15th September inshallah. You have to work hard for them. Good luck. The topic we are going to discuss today is question number 8 and that is comprehend Pakistan's relations with Central Asian countries. Means we are going to discuss Pakistan's relations with the Central Asian countries one by one. Okay, let's first discuss the introduction. The Central Asian countries include Azerbaijan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan. There are 6 countries included in Central Asian countries. They all became independent after the disintegration of Soviet Union in 1991. Means these countries were the part of Soviet Union and it was divided into the different states in 1991. Pakistan took deep interest in resolving the problems of these countries. These countries are situated far from sea. Mostly these countries are landlocked, so they conduct their trade through Pakistan because Pakistan is linked with Central Asian countries and also with Arabian Sea. When these countries became independent, their foreign exchange was very nominal or very less. Pakistan started trade with them for increasing their foreign exchange. Their requirements were fulfilled. Pakistan signed many agreements and helped them to boost their industrial sector as well. The first country we are going to discuss in detail is Azerbaijan. Pakistan establishes relations with the Azerbaijan in 1992. An agreement was signed between the two countries in the field of electronics. Many students from Azerbaijan are studying in the universities of Pakistan and other educational institutions of Pakistan. Azerbaijan is rich in oil and gas. Pakistan signed an agreement to help exploring oil in 2001 with Azerbaijan. The exchange of delegations between Pakistan and Azerbaijan is happen occasionally. Different delegates came to Pakistan and different delegations go to the Azerbaijan for different exchange programs. Second country is Uzbekistan. Prime Ministers of Pakistan, Nawaz Sharif and Benazir Bhutto have visited Uzbekistan as well. The tomb of Imam Bukhari Rahmatullah is situated in the city of Bukhara. The Muslims have a great respect for him. Mian Nawaz Sharif donated $50,000 for the repair of the tomb at his visit in the Uzbekistan. The president of this country has also visited Pakistan in 1992. The office of Uzbekistan Airways has been established in Karachi also. This country is also rich in oil, gas and coal. An agreement has already been signed between the two countries to provide gas to Pakistan through a pipeline. Third is Tajikistan. Tajikistan is the closest Central Asian country to the Pakistan. Its capital Dushanbe is located at a distance of 500 km from Islamabad just. President of Tajikistan has visited Pakistan in 1994 as well. This country has abundant electricity. Pakistan has signed an agreement with this country for getting electricity through hydropower. Means Pakistan is also working with the agreement between the Tajikistan and Pakistan for the power or electricity department. Number 4 is Turkmenistan. President of Turkmenistan has also visited Pakistan in 1994. Many PECs agreements have been signed between both the countries for development in the different fields. Pakistan exports food items to this country as well. An agreement has already been signed in 1996 to lay a gas pipeline from Turkmenistan to Quetta. Means an agreement have signed between both the countries for gas. Number 5 is Kazakhstan. This is the biggest country among the Central Asian countries. Means the land area of this country is very huge. Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mian Mohammad Nawaz Sharif visited Kazakhstan in 1990 and signed different agreements for promoting trade in both the countries. The president of this country has also visited Pakistan in 1992. Pakistan has signed many agreements with Kazakhstan for providing a cement plant and for setting up of different industries there. Means Pakistan is helping to boost their economy as well. Number 6 is Kyrgyzstan. There are vast reserves of uranium in Kyrgyzstan. And as you know, the Pakistan is an atomic power which has a deep interest in furthering ties with this country and because of the uranium reserves of uranium present in the Kyrgyzstan. Prime Minister of Pakistan Benazir Bhutto had visited Kyrgyzstan. An agreement was signed between both the countries for trading facilities through road. Means different trades are going on between both the countries through road. Okay, student, we have completed our today's topic. Let's review what we have learned. First, we have discussed the Central Asian countries and its relations going on with Pakistan. First country is Azerbaijan. We have different agreements in the field of electronics, different students exchange program and different delegations exchange program are going on between the countries. Then we have discussed Uzbekistan. Our prime minister also have visited this country, and the tomb of Bukhari is also situated there. And Pakistan have donated $50,000 to them for the repair of the tomb. And the president of country also visited to the Pakistan in 1992, and many projects and gas pipeline are going between the Pakistan and Uzbekistan for the purpose of oil and gas. Third, we have discussed the Tajikistan. It is the closest Central Asian country to the Pakistan, and it is close to the Islamabad capital as well. President Tajikistan has visited Pakistan in 1994 too, and we are having an agreement with them for the getting electricity through hydel power. Fourth is Turkmenistan. President of Turkmenistan has also visited in Pakistan in 1994. Many agreements have been signed between both the countries. Pakistan exports food items to that country, and a gas pipeline from Turkmenistan to Quetta is also being signed between both the countries. Then Kazakhstan. It is the biggest country among the Central Asian countries. Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif also visited Kazakhstan and promoted trade between both the countries, and different agreements with Kazakhstan for providing cement plants and for getting up different industries there are going on. Last is Kyrgyzstan. There are vast reserve of uranium in Kyrgyzstan. That is why Pakistan have deep interest in this country, and an agreement also was signed between both the countries for trading facilities through road as well. Okay, students, we have completed our today's topic. That is your diary. Learn question number 8. Good luck.